how to check your carrier services, voicemail number, and other important numbers on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Cellular. Next, scroll down and then tap on Carrier Services. In here, you will be able to find the default voicemail number for your network carrier, as well as other numbers that you can use, such as your operator services number, your tourist info number, and other specific number related to your network carrier. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.